Hello friends, welcome to my channel Penthusiastic. In today's video, I'll be reviewing a new fountain pen from Indian brand Wazir. So the name of the brand is Wazir Spectre. I'll be reviewing it on the basis of overall look, cost, writing experience and packaging. I ordered this pen from the manufacturers through their WhatsApp number. Through some chats I could order them. They have also website, so you can also go to their website. You can simply Google out Wazir India, Wazir fountain pens. So they have a website, you can order from that website also. This is a newly launched pen which I will be discussing today, that is Wazir Spectre. It is launched this month only, that is in the month of December 2021, and the pen comes in a box, this box which is wooden box. I like this box very much compared to the previous Wazir pens which I received. The packaging was average, but this pen, that is Wazir Spectre, I really like the packaging. I received it in this wooden box which looks really nice, and it is having a good strength also. You can find the logo embedded here on the box. So packaging wise, I like the packaging. Let us see the pen now. This is the Wazir Spectre pen. So you can find different colors are available, different color combinations are available for this pen. Like I selected some icy blue and silver kind of color. As you can see, the color is really nice. It is a elegant color, and the overall cost of this pen is approximately 5,000 to 5,500 Indian rupees. So the cost is little bit on the higher side, but I feel that it is little bit justifies, because the overall look of the pen is very nice, and later on I will demonstrate the writing experience also, which I find good. So let us see the barrel of the pen. The barrel is, I can say that it is not very like it is not a jumbo pen, or it is not very slim pen. It is in the mid line, you can say it is a midway, not very fat. So overall gripping is good. We can use it for writing long sessions. It is a light weighted pen, so it is good. The brand name Wazir is also embedded here, as you can see in the bottom of the barrel. The nib which I ordered is from Wazir only. It includes Wazir nib, and on the nib I hope you can see that Wazir brand is written there, along with medium nib, because M is written because I have ordered medium nib, and Wazir logo is also there. So this is the barrel. It is, to open it, it is approximately 3.5 to 4 rotations are required to open it. And the pen is cartridge converter pen, so I think it is cartridge converter. I don't know whether it is we can directly put ink into this. I am not sure about that, but I think it will be better to use it with cartridge and converters. So this converter I received with pen itself. It is I think this type of converter is called squeeze, maybe. I am not very sure, but I think this type of converter is called squeeze converter. I have already used this pen for approximately 1 week, and after that I am reviewing it. So let's close the pen and see its writing samples. Before that, let's see the cap. Cap is also very beautiful. It is flat from the top and flat. The barrel is also flat from the bottom. It is also flat from the bottom. So the cap is also really beautiful. This is golden clip and 2 golden rings which really add beauty to the pen. So these golden rings make the pen really beautiful. Overall look wise, I really like this pen. The pen is good as far as look is concerned. Overall look is, whether the pen is made up of high quality resin, so overall appearance is very shiny and smooth. So I like the look of the pen. Now let us see its writing experience. For writing, I have used this ink, that is Shepherd Script Blue ink, and this notebook is premium notebook. It is a Mark premium notebook. I think it is 70 GSM paper. So the writing is also very smooth. The writing is really smooth. I cannot see any problems in that. And this is the Wazir original nib, means you can customize also. Maybe the vendor can customize the nib as per your requirement. If you don't want Wazir and if you want maybe some other nib, I think they'll customize it. So overall, the writing experience is also very good. There is a very slight feedback, but overall it is a very smooth writing experience. I like this pen. I really like this pen overall. A little bit, I think cost is on the higher side, but I am really unaware of the whole pen making process. So maybe because these two golden rings are also handmade, and the overall pen is completely handmade pen, that is increasing the cost slightly. But overall, I really like this pen. The overall look, writing experience, packaging, everything is good. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and click the like button, click the subscribe button, so that whenever I upload a next video, you can get information about it. Thank you very much for watching this video.